All that for the fucking car wash.
Scenarios where AI really does need regulation. It's just, I look at it as like, why don't we go with like the real and present dangers? Or I kind of gave up on it after a certain point. It was kind of gross.
What? Okay. Okay, what are you doing?
Downward force, and the passo continues to be really challenged. 7/8 of an inch without any downward force, and almost 1.25 inches with a lot of downward force.
So you can imagine so much worse pain than what he's doing. Yeah, it says anything after 3, he can't talk because he would just be screaming.
Yeah.
Manual recording will now start.
What is that?
Still am. I didn't even bring the Raycons. I'm a dumbass. But you know what's not dumb? 6 hours of battery.
Wait, what?
And that is what
Manual recording will now start.
Using some force when pressing a piece of metal up against the grinding wheel, the loss of momentum or the motor coming to a stop really slows down.
You're gonna get in way back here.
What as well they needed and what else they needed to do.
Move!
We said,
Manual recording will now start.
1,000 minerals, and at the same time, the only unit that I can use costs only minerals.
Manual recording will now start.
ABC's in a bit of a weird place, and then I'm going to get a sky attack and one more on this. Definitely going to get structure armor. I attacked the southern portion of the base first, using the Chimera tactical sniper.
Great.
And doing the majority of the
Manual recording will now start.
Structures so they can't rally up the force. This mission taxed my patience to the limit. Shards of the Alliance introduced.
poised for a dark color. Good dark color. Can we wipe off the old knife here?
Yeah.
Make some evergreens with, we use Van Bryce Day. We'll go right in here.